Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to see or how to open your archive chat on Telegram. Actually, it's really easy to do. So here I already opened my Telegram on Android version. It should be a similar method if you are using iOS. So you scroll down until you can find on the top of your chat list, and then you swipe gesture until you can see on the top of my swipe gesture there is an option written that release for archive. So when I release it, it will be shown to the folder of my archive chats. If you don't see that archive chat here, what you have to do, you just go to this burger icon or triple line icon over there, and then you go to the settings, and then you can find this chat settings. After that, scroll down till you can find this chat list swipe gesture. You have to choose this one as archive chat, not the other one, or not the other else. So I will choose this archive and then go back and then do the gesture on the top of your chat list. Okay, this is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.